Hi, my name's Eliana, and today we are going to be making a chocolate pie and for the crust, it's going to be some trefoil Girl Scout cookies.
All right.
So, in some other places, the trefoil box might look different, but this is what they look like here.
That's okay. We'll just start with the 2 sleeves and then we will process until it looks like the right consistency. I'm going to get the food processor out. It's a little crowded over here since we have the computer up here.
Yeah, I'm going to close this.
Okay. Well, we're not done getting everything out of there.
I'm going to open this.
Okay, we need this. And
3 eggs, that's it?
yeah, we are only going to use the egg yolks for the filling. And we will be cooking the filling. Okay. All right. Go ahead, open these, and then dump those 2 packages in.
I have a very good experience of opening cookie packages.
Yeah. Let's do this a little bit more. Hands off.
You dropped the towel.
Thank you. All right. Get that out. Okay, turn that on.
Just click on.
Yep.
Do I hold the top?
Nope.
What's that? Oh, right. You see it swirling on the top. It's swirling. Oh!
Wow, that smells really good. I forgot how good trefoils
Didn't my
are.
computer not have a very good audio quality?
It's okay. We'll probably end up fast forwarding this. Okay. So we're gonna strain the butter in. We're pulsing.
So we're pulsing the processor while pouring the melted butter in.
Looks like it is.
That's it?
Oh. So, okay, we're
We
gonna.
did not use the whole entire butter stick.
No, okay, good. So it's crumbly. Okay, yeah, probably a tiny bit too much butter, but that's okay. Okay, ready? We're gonna dump this out.
So we're dumping it out in a tin we have that's shaped like a pie for the crust.
Can you get me a spatula?
Because the crust, as everyone knows, goes along the bottom also.
Okay.
So it goes the side and then underneath.
Looks like it might be really good. All right, Ellie,
Yes.
you're going to press this into the pie tin and then up the sides in an even
my
layer.
hands?
With your hands. You washed your hands, right?
Yes. But they can't see.
Oh, let's move. That's a good call. We don't need this anymore. Go ahead.
Oh.
Here. Okay.
This is
6 tablespoons of flour. Here.
6
tablespoons of flour.
It's not like a cup.
I don't know what the conversion is. You need to go faster than that. It doesn't have to be. So we're not baking like a bread or anything like that. I would say that our measurements normally, you know, when we make certain things, that's 3, would need to be much more exact. Like if we were measuring baking soda or baking powder.
6.
Perfect. Okay. We need 1 cup of sugar. You want to do the cocoa next?
Where's that hand with that?
I'll do the cocoa. 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Okay. Then we need a cup of sugar.
Excuse me?
You are excused.
Here's our cup. So we have, this is our big thing of sugar. Woohoo! Sugar. Whoa. Yeah, you're gonna have to do that.
Go like this.
I feel like I would make a really big mess with that anyways.
All right. Go ahead and whisk that all together. You want it mixed really well. Okay.
It really does smell like a Hershey's.
Okay, so you want to make sure you...
Remit is above the green.
Ah.
Yeah.
So you catch it.
Yeah, you go like that.
Remit is here next to
Now-
the notch.
Okay, that's our first yolk.
Can I try?
No. Slowly stir in milk, pouring in a little at a time. Yeah.
What about Jaden?
I know, I'll get on there with her in a minute. Okay, go ahead, keep mixing. Oh, jeez. All right, so we're going to warm that up. Actually, where's the spatula we had?
You put it in the sink.
No, the spatula.
Spatula?
All right, we are going to.
So I was gonna wear my Girl Scout apron, but I can't find it. Also, this
Those are the egg whites,
the egg
and maybe we'll freeze those to use in another recipe another time. So this is supposed to thicken up. Oh, we did not set a timer for the pie crust. So that's not good.
How long?
It was supposed to be 15 minutes.
It's been since you put it in maybe like 8.
Okay. Oh, it looks good.
So timer for 7 minutes?
Yeah, come look at it.
Okay, well,
So here, if we want to show the folks at home our pie crust, let's move these egg whites. Okay. There's the pie crust. It's looking pretty good in there, actually. I'm kind of impressed. Video.
So the reason why we're doing this is, well, so that we could show people what other things you could do with Girl Scout cookies other than just eat them plain. So you can make pies, you can make cakes, you can make crumbles, ice cream if you have the stuff to do that.
We've put Thin Mints in blizzards.
Yeah, we've put Thin
We'll have to
Mints
do
and
that.
Tagalongs in blizzards with our Vitamix blender. We'll probably do another video with that too. You can make cookies. You can make so much stuff.
This is taking a long time.
You can make even the filling with cookie. But yeah,
People do things. They make icebox cakes with whipped cream, and then they layer cookies, and then more whipped cream and cookies, and they put it in the freezer.
so you can make a lot of stuff with cookies. But
Yes.
selling cookies
Oh, it's
in
the
general
flour, the
is to
flour.
earn money for the activities for the girls, to create an educational life.
All right, let's pause this video because.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, so.
Okay. So it's been a couple minutes, and we are going to take the pie crust out.
And then we won't need that anymore. Oh, this is bubbling. So is the pie crust, for that matter. Ooh, cool. So there's the crust. It's brown. So we'll turn that off. This filling is bubbling a lot now. I'm going to turn it down. Ooh, that is cool. The crust is like bubbling over there. It's neat. Oh, this is very much sticking to the bottom. Let me. Okay, teaspoon of vanilla. Okay, we're gonna mix that in. And of course, we know vanilla always makes anything chocolate better.
Is this a teaspoon?
That is half a tablespoon. This is a teaspoon. That doesn't fit. We need the one that's this shape. It's probably in the dishwasher because we cook a lot. Yep. That should fit into the jar, right? Yes? Or, okay, then you can pour it in.
Over that?
Yeah?
Can you stop me for a sec?
Yeah. Remember, the pot is hot, okay? Yeah, so we use vanilla paste, not vanilla extract. We don't use extracts for anything.
Good, right?
Yeah. Okay. And so that's very cool. Eileen?
Thank you. Bye.